If you have a bad habit that you want to quit, you keep relapsing over and over, and you want to quit it, but you can't, you tried every single method, then this 5-step system will help you solve it for good. My name is Safwan Bayok, and I'm helping over 90 people to break free from every single addiction and bad habit that they have for good. So behind me are the 5 steps, but before I explain those 5 steps, I need to explain to you something very quickly, which is whenever you feel this urge to do the addiction or the bad habit, there's always this piece of information or a stimulus that your brain gets. And your brain gets this stimulus or piece of information either from reality, you see it in front of you or on social media, whatever, or you imagine it or you remember it. Or you remember situations, you imagine situations, or you see a situation in reality that makes you remember that the trigger of the urge. Okay, so that's the important point. Now let's explain to you these points. The first one is relabeling. When you get this piece of information or stimulus from reality or imagination or memory, the first thing that you need to do to weaken that urge, to not allow you or to not force you to do the addiction, is to relabel it. So you need to relabel it and tell yourself that this is not a need, it's a want. So you want to do the addiction, it's not a need. You don't need to do it. You don't need to open your phone and start open social media, or you don't need to go to the bad websites. You don't need to eat that junk food. You don't need to light up that cigarette. You just want to, okay? It's just a want, it's not a need. It's not something that you have to do, okay? Now, once you relabel it, you do the second step, which is reattribute. This is where you ask yourself, why the feeling? Why am I feeling it? Like, what stimulus from reality or imagination or memory that made me feel this urge? You gotta become conscious of that, because the reason you're addicted and the reason you keep relapsing is because it's automatic. You get the piece of information, you feel the urge, you do the addiction, you get the good feelings that you get, like the immediate good feelings, and then the loop keeps looping again and again and again. So you need to become aware and conscious of that, okay? So the second point is why the feeling, okay? So just ask yourself, like, what did I experience? Like, what did I remember? What did I see? What did I imagine that made me feel this, okay? Now, once you become conscious of that, you do step 3, which is refocus. This is basically where you do something else that you enjoy. So you have this urge that you want to do the addiction, but once you relabel it as a want, not a need, and then when you reattribute it as, or like by finding what made you feel that trigger, now you need to do something else that you enjoy, but not the addiction. So if you have this urge to light up a cigarette, don't light up a cigarette, do something else that is fun for you. Yes, it can be something that is like social media, okay? Now, yes, social media can be addictive and can be bad, but you're trying to remove one addiction by using another. So maybe you're already you have a smoking addiction and also social media addiction or bad habit. You have both. So leverage one by removing the other. So when you feel this urge of smoking, do something that you enjoy, maybe opening social media, do that. Replace the addiction with something else that you enjoy or you currently enjoy, okay? Now, once you refocus, you do step 4, which is revalue. This is where you actually remember why the hustle in the first place, why you're doing those 3 steps in the first place. So let's say that you have the urge to smoke, and now you open your social media to do something else, to get your mind off the addiction. You gotta ask yourself, like, why am I following these 3 steps in the first place? This is where you remember, like, all the money you are spending on smoking, like how bad your health is becoming, how bad your stamina is becoming, how bad everyone around you like feel about you smoking and they're not smoking. Like, remember all the reasons that you're following these steps, these 3 steps. Okay? Once you revalue and once you remember why you're doing these 3 steps in the first place, this is finally where you do recreate step 5. This is basically like states that you're in control, you can change your life. Now you're following these 4 steps Now you're conscious that you're actually able to change your life. You're actually able to control your mind instead of it controlling you. Every time this urge of addiction, of smoking, it triggers in your brain, you weren't able to control it. You just light up the cigarette immediately. I know I'm giving an example for cigarettes, but this applies to anything. But now that you followed these 4 steps, you are in control. You are in control of your life. And this is where you are able to change circumstances, change everything in your life, and you just becoming aware of that, becoming aware of the ability of you're actually able to change your life and you're doing it. Also, this will strengthen your belief and will make following these 5 steps next time when you feel the urge better and easier.